What's going on, bread chasers? My name is Josh and I hope you've stocked up on some toilet paper. Because look, things are about to get real. Actually though, this is a very interesting time right now, and if you're under quarantine, you may be thinking, what should I be doing right now? How can I make money during this crisis? Unfortunately, a lot of people are getting laid off of work or they're being forced to take off until further notice, and this is very scary, especially if you have a lot of essential needs that have to be paid. I have good news though. If you're willing to put in the work and adjust to the new environment, then there are plenty of opportunities present. Just be ready to put in the effort. You do not need a college degree for any of these opportunities that I'm about to present in this video. You may find that after this whole experience, you can work from home. How cool would that be? Even during a pandemic, you can comfortably pay all your bills and expenses. I think a lot of people are getting caught off guard right now. Maybe having a typical 9-to-5 job isn't as secure as we thought. I remember everyone in college talking about how being a nurse is such a safe job to have. Anyways, I really feel for everyone who doesn't know what to do right now. And that's why I created this video. Well, that's actually why I created this whole channel. On this channel, I talk about online business, financial freedom, entrepreneurship, personal finance, and more. So if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for all future videos. I know this channel is bread chasers, and listen, money isn't everything. Money doesn't buy happiness necessarily, but it is really important to be able to pay for the basic essentials of life, especially in a time like this. And that's why I want to make sure you stay till the very end of this video, because I'll be sharing my #1 favorite way to make money online. So let's just get started. One of the best ways to make money right now is to give yourself a raise. And you can do this in multiple ways. One way is by really looking at your budget and seeing what expenses you can cut out, all the ones that are unnecessary. And a lot of these tend to be subscriptions, the ones that aren't essential needs. Some of these could include Netflix, Disney Plus, Spotify, whatever they might be. And the reason is, if you're trying to get serious about money and maybe you're considering starting an online business from home, then you really need to eliminate all distractions and save as much money as you can right now. If you want to still listen to music, you can do that for free online. If you want to continue consuming content, you can do that for free on YouTube. Now, before you straight up just cancel all your subscriptions, you can contact the companies directly and tell them the situation that, hey, listen, during this time, I'm trying to save money, and they may be nice and give you a few months free. I know Adobe is giving 3 free months to content creators to still be able to pump out videos, to edit, and everything during this crisis. So definitely do that. That way you can still actually use maybe some of your subscriptions and just simply not pay for them. One thing that I want to point out before I continue is that, listen, I don't have all the time in the world to go through every single online business model that I'm about to discuss in this video, but there are plenty of free resources online. Obviously YouTube, you're already here, Google. There are so many free resources online to be able to jump in to these ideas that I present. So hopefully what I'm going to be doing here is just getting some ideas in your head, and then I want you to take these ideas and just run with them full speed. Especially with all this free time you may have, there's simply no excuses. If you find anything to be helpful in this video, drop a like and drop a comment here. Let's just continue on. So the second way that you can make money online during this quarantine is by looking around your house and finding things that you can sell online. So eBay is probably the best bet for this. You definitely want to sell things that people are still buying online. Maybe you have some extra video games, an old pair of headphones, cameras, things like that. And make sure when you're going to sell these items on eBay that you take some very high quality pictures of whatever items you're selling, and take a look at what other people are selling those items for. Checking the competition is critical for figuring out what to price your items at. If you're looking to sell something as soon as possible, then you simply just want to price it lower than the competition. Now, if you can wait a little bit and you have some time, you don't really need to sell it right this instant, then maybe you can price it in the middle of the pack. Number 3 is creating an online course. Now, you might not realize it, but you have some skills that you can teach other people right now. The fact that you found my video shows me that you know how to find videos on YouTube. There are people that just simply don't know how to do that. So you can create a course on just how to use the internet 101. Consider the older generations. You can make a crash course on how to use the internet. Just an idea, promote it on Facebook to people ages 65 and older, charge whatever you want, maybe $100, $200, $500, and there you go. I actually have a whole video that goes through step by step on how to create an online course, so make sure you go check that up here in the cards. I know I made it sound really easy. It's going to take some effort, it's going to take some trial and error, but you can probably create a whole course within a week and then create some promo content. It might take 1 to 2 days and just start advertising. And again, no excuses. The 4th way that you can make money during this quarantine is by freelancing. And I've talked about this before in other videos, and I just want to highlight it again because I think this is actually one of the best ways that you can make money online, especially during a time like this. You can take whatever skills you have and put them to use immediately. A few good websites for this are Fiverr, Upwork, TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, etc. And to dive into this a little bit more, freelancing is when you provide a particular skill or service for a one-time project. This is cool because it allows you to try out different industries all from home. Maybe you're interested in social media marketing, maybe you're interested in video editing, business consulting, accounting. There are so many different skills that you can utilize for freelancing. There's also so many different free resources on Google, YouTube to get started with this, so definitely go check those out. So another way that you can make money online is by offering one-on-one consultations. And now look, everyone has social media these days. I'm sure you might have some social media accounts, whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Now, you can have people sign up to do one-on-one consultations with you, and this can be anything you want it to be. I mean, obviously right now, mental health is a big thing because everyone's isolated and there's going to be people that just really want someone to talk to, and they may be willing to pay, a certain amount. I'm not sure exactly what that would be, to just talk to someone, to talk through what they can do to get through this time. This is a really hard time for a lot of people. Just being isolated in general can just definitely cause depression and things like that. So you could use this as an opportunity to really help people out. And this could be a way to generate some additional income for yourself during this time. And I think something really important about this is that you want to show results of what people thought of your consultations. So maybe you could start off with just a friend and have them write out a little review for you, and you could post that on your social media accounts to show others hey, I'm offering consultations and they're really helping people, and that could help influence other people to want to book you for a one-on-one consultation. There are some really good websites out there for allowing clients to book you, and one of them is Facebook. I think Facebook actually does this now, but you can also look at You Can Book Me. That's the one I use for my business. So another way to make money online during this time is affiliate marketing, and you may have heard of this before, but basically it's companies that need help getting the word out about their products. And the best one I think to go with is Amazon. Obviously Amazon is so huge, they sell so many different things. The opportunity to sell products on Amazon and earn a commission is huge, especially in a time like this when everyone's quarantined and they may still want to buy things, and you can promote different products that you think people will be interested in buying on your different social media outlets, or you can do Facebook ads. There's a whole bunch of different ideas out there for how to do this effectively. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and now I'm going to tell you my #1 favorite way to make money online, and that is what I'm doing right now, YouTube. You can make residual income off of YouTube. That is a fact. Really, all you need is a camera, good ideas, basic editing skills, consistency, and the biggest thing is just getting started. Make content that is easy to find through the search bar, and there you go. I feel like a lot of times people overthink everything. It's really not too difficult to understand. Making money is about providing value to other people. And if you can figure out how to do that effectively while being quarantined at home, props to you. Definitely leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.